At the northern tip of the Indonesian island of Sumatra lies the province of Aceh. Hundreds of thousands of the people of Aceh perished, and much of its intangible heritage was destroyed in a massive earthquake and tsunami on 26th of December 2004. Far in the mountains of Aceh lies the district of Gayo, the land of 1,000 mountains. An important part of the cultural heritage of the Gayo people in Gayo and surrounding areas is the performing art known as Saman. Saman includes oral heritage of reciting verses containing moral, traditional and religious advice. It also builds friendly relations through the custom of invitations to reciprocal Saman competitions. Embroidering Saman costumes is an intricate traditional handcraft. The motifs symbolize nature and noble values. The Saman performers, always in odd numbers, sit in a tight line. The trainer, leader or panangkat sits in the middle, flanked by 2 assistants on each side. The panangkat and the assistants sing verses, mostly in Gayo language, with some Arabic, Achenese and Indonesian. The verses contain informative, religious, traditional, moral, heroic and sometimes even humorous or romantic messages. The Saman performers perform synchronized movements, including clapping, slapping the chest, thighs and the ground, clicking the fingers, making hand gestures, bending and turning the body and head forwards, backwards, sideways, and actually, sometimes slow, sometimes fast and energetically, while singing responsively. The moves symbolize nature and daily life. Villagers invite each other for Saman competitions, which sometimes last for 2 days. In this way, friendships are formed between the players. Saman is also a pastime of Gayo children. Most boys learn Saman informally from their fathers, grandfathers or friends under the mersah. Saman is a part of the cultural heritage and identity of Gayo people. Saman builds respect and cooperation among the players. Saman is performed on national and religious holidays and to honor guests. Villagers invite each other for Saman competitions, which build friendly and fraternal relationships. Unfortunately, such competitions are becoming less frequent. Traditional methods of transmission of Saman are becoming weakened. Many mersah dormitories are empty. Children are now busy with their studies at school. Saman is only performed on graduation days or other special occasions at schools. Hardly any schools teach Saman as local content or extracurricular activities. Television and videos are becoming the preferred entertainment for children and adults, causing Saman to be neglected. Traditional hand-embroidered Saman costumes are costly and take many months to make. Many expert Saman trainers are elderly, and the younger generation are less interested to learn from them about Saman. Hardly 5% of respondents could name the 9 parts of a Saman performance. Commercially oriented Saman performances cause a change in meaning and function. There is an urgent need for inventory and safeguarding efforts. Much of the documentation of Saman was lost during the tsunami tragedy. The Saman community has made some limited efforts to document Saman. They have supported Saman groups, self-funded festivals and inter-village Saman competitions. The district government of Gayo has established a Saman group, supported other groups, held a Saman festival and used Saman as entertainment on national and religious holidays and to entertain honored guests. Haji Ibnu Hasim, head of Gayo district, has given personal attention to safeguarding efforts. However, these efforts will not be enough to safeguard Saman and guarantee its transmission to future generations. Urgent safeguarding is needed. We must conduct inventory of Saman moves and sung verses. We must conduct research and publish books and teaching materials about Saman. We must have Saman included in school curricula as local content and extracurricular activity, not just as an occasional entertainment on graduation days. We must revive the traditional method of teaching Saman to youth under the Mersa dormitories. We must organize periodic Saman festivals on sub-district, district and provincial levels. We must revive the culture of Saman and build a center for Gayo arts and culture as a focus for safeguarding and transmission of Saman, especially among the younger generation. The Saman community have and will endeavor to safeguard Saman, including participating in safeguarding plans. The government is making ongoing efforts to safeguard Saman.
Saman adalah merupakan warisan budaya masyarakat Gayo. Oleh sebab itu, pemerintah Kabupaten Gayo berkomitmen untuk melestarikannya.
Saman adalah salah satu tarian yang usianya sudah ratusan tahun yang lalu, yang digunakan di Aceh untuk menyampaikan berbagai pesan. Oleh karena itu, pemerintah Aceh memiliki kewajiban, memiliki komitmen bersama pemerintah pusat untuk melestarikan tarian Saman ini.
The nomination of Saman has been prepared with the involvement of the Saman community. The community participated in a verification seminar to give their input for the correction of the nomination file. The Saman community have given their prior informed consent to the nomination file and have also signed a declaration to mutual respect and collaboration to safeguard Saman. Saman is only performed by boys, young men, and sometimes male adults. There is another dance called binas, which is to be performed by girls. Saman is recorded on a new system of inventory of intangible cultural heritage maintained by the Ministry of Culture and Tourism, which involved the community and which is updated regularly.